Hi, I'm Daniel with Avanti. Thanks for joining us for another episode in this series. I'm here with George Vernon.
So you're a consulting engineer.
Yes.
All of North America. What does that mean to be a consulting engineer?
Well, consulting engineer in trenchless technologies.
Okay.
What this means is that I act as an expert resource to analyze conditions connected with underground pipes, assess those conditions, and then if I find problems from those assessments, it's my job to bring together and formulate and design a solution that's cost effective for my clients. Most of my clients are industrial, and therefore the problems that they see are typically problems that are connected with high value of operations and short time windows, and also heavy exposure to contingency if something goes wrong.
So if they're shut down for a day, then that costs them what?
Well, it could vary anywhere from $1.5 million to $10 million a day.
Really?
It's very expensive. You don't really want to go there if you're an industrial client. You don't want this to happen, and so it becomes extremely important to formulate and carry out the solutions that will prevent that situation from happening, because it's just too high value for them.
And sometimes you use grout just as a means to an end.
Grout is, in many cases, the final closure to a successful job completion. And by that I mean the whole purpose for trenchless rehabilitation is to stop a pipe from leaking, stop it from failing, keep the effluent inside the pipe, and keep what's outside of the pipe outside of the pipe. The sealing of surfaces to prevent leakage in either direction is the function of grout. And grout becomes the final step to ensure a complete success. The reason that grout is important is because it's extremely cost effective, it's very easy to use, and it is extremely effective. And so it's something that you want to have part of a solution, a typical solution.
One of the things I appreciate about you is that you're creative in your use of the grout.
Yes.
And what does the future of grouting look like to you in construction?
It looks very good, but it's going to depend heavily on people being aware of what the capabilities of grout are. A lot of people are familiar with grouting and packing joints in typical sanitary sewers and storm drains. Many people have no clue as to how grout can be used for repairing difficult access industrial pipes and boxes and mixed boxes. And they're becoming aware of that means that the market will expand. And that's a matter of education.
Yep.
You have to show people by example, show people by informational literature, etc., what grouting technologies can do, so they can incorporate them in their thinking for future problem solving.
Okay. Thanks for your time.
Oh, you bet. My pleasure.
Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.